Some people say that if you don't have an income plan, you don't really have a retirement plan. Whether that's completely true or not is up for debate. What's not up for debate is the overall importance of an income plan when it comes to retirement success. It's not just one piece of a comprehensive plan, it might be the most important piece. Without knowing how much income you'll need and how you're going to generate that amount, you'll be left guessing. The biggest fear that retirees have is running out of money and having to go back to work. Without a firm grasp on the amount of income you'll need to cover your lifestyle plans, you're likely to have one of two outcomes. Worst case, you'll underestimate your expenses and end up lacking the income that you actually need. People in this position suddenly find themselves needing to tighten their budget in retirement and cut back on things that are important to them. On the flip side, you might overestimate the amount of income you require and wind up working longer than you needed to. This is where a financial advisor can be such a huge asset. Through their knowledge and experience working on a wide range of situations with a variety of clients, not only will they be able to identify your income needs, but they'll also be able to develop a plan that will maximize all of your assets and generate the money you need each month. If you don't have an income plan in place, work with your advisor to do it soon. It truly could be the difference between a successful retirement and one where you're left worrying about whether your money will last.